What's up, everybody? Another project coming up. Today I'm gonna turn this empty whiskey, rum bottle, Motorhead rum bottle, into a lamp. So let's get cracking. So what I've done here is that I've drink all the rum, not today, but I've drunk it all. Now I put a bit of what do you call it? We call it silver tape, duct tape. You call it duct tape. To keep the tension with the glass, it gets drilled. So I got these drills just for glass. So to put it on this, what do you call it? Power drill? Maybe you call it that. I don't know. Anyway, we got one here. So let's get drilling. Jeez, this glass is really thick. I'm about 1 centimeter in. I just punctured so we can see through. So yeah, let's keep going. God damn it, we got a crack. Need to work around it. So when I was almost done, it's cracked, but I think we can hide it when we fill it up. Just need to be careful. We got the hole done, and it's snug, but it fits. So let's get wiring. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a small N for neutral, the blue one, an L where the current is, what do you call it? So this will go here and this will go there, like so. Screw it all together, and I use the largest screwdriver possible for the smallest damn job. This just goes like shit. So yeah, we'll put this in here like so. Perfect. Finally, and this is going here. Ta dee da dee da, you something like that. Something like so here. Doodly doo. And before I put this together, I need to fill this up with something dark. And I actually have some old tea. We're gonna put this with, there's some, what else that? Small hearts. Yeah, we put them also. Nah, we take them out. So let's fill this up. Alright, let's try this out. Got some other tea without the hearts. Oh, it took forever. I had to sort all these hearts out while filling this up. But now we're gonna put it all together. Put some glue right here so this won't be wobbly. All glued up. Sits perfect. We're gonna put the lampshade on, the black one, and we will be done. Alright, here it is. And it works. Pretty cool. This will be a gift to my father on his birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. Hope you enjoy this. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching this time, and next time we'll probably do another project. So please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.